Hi fellow WordPress enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to give your admin login page a unique and professional look. But before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our subsequent videos. Let's dive in. We'll be doing this in a straightforward way with just a plugin. So go over to your admin login page. Now your WordPress admin login page looks like this, and this is what we'll be customizing in the course of this video, so you want to stick around to the end. One of the reasons you may want to use this feature could be for branding. As an organization or a business enterprise, you may want your admin page to reflect your brand colors, and you may have one or more administrators or contributors to your website, and this will give them more personalized user experience. So let's log in and head over to plugins. We'll click on add new and search for color lib login. Now this is the plugin right here with over 7,000 active installations already. So we install this plugin and activate it. Now activate. After activating the plugin, we'll scroll over to search for the plugin on our installed and activated plugins. And here we have it, color lib login customizer. We'll click on the settings, and then it takes us to this page where we can customize the particular settings we want. Now we have templates, logo options, layout options, background options, and so many other options we can use to customize our login page. So let's move over to our templates and see the various templates we have. This right here, and you can do this to divide the page into two. You can also use this one. I like this one in particular, but we'll not be using this for the course of this video. Now let's customize these basic settings to start with. I will head over to the logo options. Now you can decide to use both the logo and text options, or you can even decide to hide logo, but for this video we'll be using an image option. So scroll down to select the particular image you want to use. Now the image should be what will represent your brand, which should be your logo. And select this as my logo. Now we can see that the logo has changed from the WordPress logo it had here before. So this particular logo I selected. Now to make adjustments to this so it can suit our style, go over here to logo width and adjust till we get the perfect preference we want. I think it looks better like this. And then move over to our layout options. Now the layout options is to move the form to a particular side of the screen, but I want this to be at the default. Then background option. The background option, you can use this to customize your background color to reflect the color of your brand, or you can choose an image that best suits your brand. General form style, you can use this to adjust our forms. Clear color from, I think I'd rather leave it like this, and I'll scroll down to change the form feed color I will leave it at black, and the form label. Now you can see the label is the direction. You can see here that the label is the instructions given on what to fill on a particular tab. So let's make this blue. And scroll down to see more options. See this lost your password, which is this right here. You can change the word there. I like to make this recover password. And then you can decide to hide links, but we want the recover password link to show, so we won't hide it. Now login form text. Now these are the texts that gives you instruction on what to fill, and I'd rather leave this just as it is. You can see this option here is to change your register form text and also your lost password form text, but we'll not be working on these here. Go over to form buttons, and then your button background. This is to change the color of the background around the button. And this is the hover. When you hover on the background, what it should look like, what color it should take. So let's see. You can go ahead to add border color, button border color, button border hover state. And if you scroll down, you see link color of what we have there. But let's leave this at this. I can choose to hide, remind me, or just leave it there. Now, in case you are familiar with CSS, you can add a CSS code, which I'll be doing here in order to remove the back to my blog. That's right there. So don't forget to click on the publish right here so as to save these settings. Now let's move over to our WordPress dashboard. And let's log out. So we can see how our new login page now looks like. And that's it, guys. If you stayed to the end of this video, then congratulations. You can now change and customize your WordPress admin login page. If you gain some value from this, please hit the likes button. That's how I know that it was helpful to you. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section, or any topics you would like us to cover on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.